Hi everybody, welcome to Brains and the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a JLUXLABEL haul. This is going to be my second time purchasing from them. And I got a few things and I have a few stuff to say. JLUXLABEL is kind of top tier according to a lot of fashionistas here on YouTube as far as quality is concerned, but I don't know, it's not, I don't know, some of the stuff is not giving me what it's supposed to give, and for the amount of money they cost, it's definitely supposed to give what it's supposed to give, okay? But this is the first outfit, well, the first dress I should say. If you don't know, I'm 5'6", I weigh 190, and I'm very voluptuous, okay? My bust is 37, my hips is 45, and my waist is 33, so your girl is curvy. And this is the first dress. This is the Cara dress. Let me see if I can find it. The black Cara ruche dress, and I got it in a medium, and it was $64.99. So this one right here is giving what it's supposed to give. This is double line, this is ribbed. This is definitely worth the price. However, I bought this from them. This was supposed to be taken with me on my Jamaica trip, which I didn't get to wear. I got this one. As you can see, this is a slinky material. It's the same design as this, but this is in a slinky material. It has absolutely no support. And it was $64 also. So this is definitely not giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I would definitely say if you like the style of this dress, definitely get the Cara, because the Cara is going to give you a little bit more, suck you in a little bit more. It's gonna hug your curves. This, not so much. And this is in the slinky material, so it's definitely see-through. So you're gonna have to be careful of what undergarment you choose to wear, if you choose to wear any underneath this particular one. So this is the red Bianca snakeskin slit dress in large, and it cost $43.99. And this is midi length. It goes all, let me see if I can go all the way back so you can see the full length. So this is the full length of the dress. It actually hits me right at my ankle, just about. Let me get closer. I love the print. I definitely think this is worth the $43.99. It's made from a nice thick material, and if you have a little something, it's definitely gonna suck you in. I would say wear some nice undergarments underneath here, because any lumps and bumps that you have, it's definitely going to show. And I love the strap that they sewed in at the top. It definitely gives you a whole lot of support. Don't feel like the tatas are falling down. Love the print. Red and black are my favorite colors, so this is like perfection, okay? Perfection. And the back have a slit in it, which give you some room to walk, so you're not going to be struggling to walk. Still gonna be a little bit tight to walk, but you have room. And this with some heels and a nice purse, you are set, honey. The next dress is in a nice brown color. Love, love, love this dress. I love the fact that it's ruched at the side and I can pull the ruching down all the way down to my ankles. Perfection. This slinky material is actually double lined, so you're getting your money's worth. Let's see how much it costs. Oh, it's the brick brochet slinky dress, and I got it in medium and it was $52.99. Darling, this is definitely worth the $52.99. Okay. And I love JLUXLABEL's dresses, a lot of them, because you're able to wear them in different styles. So this, I can ruche it all the way up to my knees, or I can let it down all the way down to my ankles. Love the cowl neck detail.
How long does it take to ruche it all the way to your knee, then all the way down to your ankles?
How long? I'm sure it don't take long. All you gotta do is pull it down like this.
You have to let it down.
Next side, yeah. And it goes all the way down. Pull. And there it is, all the way down to your...
And then you can bring it like way up.
And you can bring it all the way up if you want to, so. And I don't like too short of a dress because I have a whole lot of butt. And if it's too short when I walk, it starts to go right up, especially material like this, slinky material here. So, yeah, this is definitely giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Yep.
There you go.
Yep. I love the color too. The color kind of makes me look like I'm naked. You can see I love the ruche detailing. This is just in a satin material. This, I don't even remember what size I got this in because this was in the first batch of items that I got. Love the cowl neckline. The straps are actually adjustable. Love the cut. If you have a bit of fupa, baby, this is gonna be perfect for you because the ruching hides it, honey. The only thing I will say for the price point of these dresses, I think this was between $50 and $60. I would have wanted a lining. If I'm gonna pay $50 to $60 for a dress, I want it to be lined so when I put on my undergarments, I don't have anything to worry about. I don't like thin, expensive clothes. This is not giving what it's supposed to give for me, but I like the design. I love the material, so you give and you take.
Ready? Spin on. You want 360 for it? You're not showing my outfit and that butt part and what it look like. You want to see what it look like in the back?
And it has an asymmetric detail. Which I like a lot. The top is JLUX Basic Sage Classic Cut Tank and it's in a large. I'm glad I got a large because these are double lined, so they're a bit tighter and I like them. These kind of remind me of the Zara wide neck top, but these are made from cotton material, which I like, and these are double lined all the way down. With the Zara ones, it's only double lined to the boob area, so love this. I like the color also. It's sage. And then let's see the pants. don't see it. Oh, it's the white Lady Terry Fleece joggers, and I got them in medium. I got them in medium because on the website it says these are oversized, so I went down a size. I would normally get a large, and I'm glad I did. It fits perfect. I like the scrunch leg detail. These are definitely a nice thick material. The basic classic cut tank top costs $27.99. Definitely think it's worth it. And the white Lady Terry Fleece joggers is in medium and it's $42.99. I'm not sure if I think the joggers are worth it because I have joggers similar to this that I got from Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo. They're about the same quality and I got them for way cheaper. I got them for like 20 bucks. So I'm not sure. But the joggers are soft. The top is soft. So I guess. Love the top. The bottom is a bit up in the air still for me. Oh, and this, I also got it in this orange color, obviously. Very cute, very pretty, nice color, especially for my skin tone. I love it. I think orange look good on any skin tone. Just about. Just about. If you have some melanin, here's it. Say this isn't giving what it's supposed to give. Babe said like, so let's see how much I think.
One of the best ones so far with that black dress.
With that black dress?
Yeah.
No. It's the Blue Ronnie Athleisure set and I got it in medium. I would definitely say you can size down. I do feel like the arm on this one is a tad bit tight, but not uncomfortable tight. It's the wearable. And this is, how much did I pay for it? This is $30.99. I was about to say, if this was $60-something, it wouldn't be worth it, but they priced it perfectly. This is giving me Skims vibes, because as you guys know, Kim Kardashian have a loungewear line, and it kind of looks similar like to this, but their loungewear costs like 90 and 80 bucks. So you can have the Skims look for less at JLUXLABEL.
Really?
Yeah. Because
so hold up, JLo undercut and Kim.
JLUXLABEL, pretty much
Yeah.
they're the same competitor. I like it. The material is so
good. Get the 360. One, I'm a kind of thing. Yeah, like that. See that?
The material is super soft. I will say that this is definitely giving athleisure, chilling, lounging around the house vibes. Hubby say I could wear it out, so that's that. With sneakers, some people do wear it out because it's double line, can't see anything. That's the whole thing with JLUXLABEL. Their stuff always comes double line, so you're good. It's super soft, yeah. So this is the next outfit, and this is the limited edition Black More Love linen set. Oh, that's long, and this is in medium, and this is $89.99. I definitely think it's worth it just because the top is double lined. You can't see my nipples through it. Love. And this top you can tie in so many different ways. Love. And I've been loving like high-waisted wide leg pants a lot, so this is like right up your girl's alley. Plus it has pockets. Okay,
You can definitely pick up and put your around. Do them to be a toenail.
yeah, the pockets it's giving. And then this back detail is everything. Right here, okay? They make sure that this top is not cutting into your skin when you tie this at the front. Perfection. Love this. Love it. And this also comes in a cotton material also, but that one was sold out, so I got the linen one instead, and it's giving me Miami vibes. It's giving me I'm on vacation in Miami.
Boat ride.
Yep, I live for your vacation at Darling. Yeah, this is definitely Miami vibes for sure.
For sure. Up for the evening.
Having a drink at the bar, chilling. You can dress this up with slippers, or you can do heels. I'll definitely wear this with slippers, like evening time, or yeah, love it. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section. Would you guys like to see me style any of these pieces? Which one would it be? Comment in the comment section which was your favorite outfit and what are your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We can't talk. The joke can be crazy, just knocked my head a while ago. Alright, so me know. Hi everybody, if you're new here. Hi everybody, this is Brains and the Beat. Let me start over because this is not gonna work out. Pass me bag there, please. That brown bag there.